Well, we're on another adventure today, out exploring near Squamish on some dirt roads, searching out some waterfalls. Haven't been to this area before. I honestly haven't really done that much exploring around Squamish, but I was doing some research on Google Maps and Google Earth and just checking out some spots that are a bit unknown. And there's so much to find out here, so much to explore. This Forest Service road that we're on in particular, it was actually closed for the better part of a year due to a really bad washout at about 21 kilometers into the road. But it was all repaired, and it looks like the barrier that was past it has also been removed. So should be good to send it today. We're getting pretty close to the farthest location I was hoping to go to. So we're gonna see what it's like. It looks like a really epic waterfall from the few photos I was able to find. So we're gonna photograph that spot. And then there's a few really beautiful riverside views that I like to fly the drone from kind of on the way back. I think it's gonna be a good day. Absolutely beautiful weather, beautiful conditions, and it's just good to get out of the city and back out in nature for the day. So let's see what we get. Well, first flat on the RAV. I've had this thing for 3 years. I'm actually surprisingly never popped the tire, but. So yeah, I'm gonna replace this tire. Figured it's probably better I do it now. And then we'll go check out the waterfall. But really flat. I think I heard it deflating back there when I was recording something. I should have checked closer. But hopefully I wasn't riding it like this for too long, because it's pretty, that's pretty bad. But, oh well, that's how she goes. That's why we got a RAV4, baby. Okay, so the tire is now replaced. Funny enough, every time I get a flat tire, it's always when I'm way out in the middle of nowhere. Last time I got a flat tire was in my second gen RAV4, and I was up like really far up in the mountains, up in like North Vancouver Island in 2020, and I was camping the night up there. So kind of happens in funny areas, but it is nice having a spare tire, not having to get out a tube kit and everything. You can just swap on the new tire, put the old one on the back, and fix it when I get home. But let's go check out this waterfall. From the pictures I saw, it looks incredible. So I'm pretty stoked to see what it looks like in person. That is absolutely incredible. Oh my goodness. It looked like a big waterfall from the pictures that I saw, but this is just unbelievable. And it's multi-layered, and the flow is insane right now. So like, a lot of it is kind of hidden from the mist, but oh my goodness. And I'm honestly at a loss for words. This is like so crazy. And like, again, I've never seen this place on Instagram. This is just what I found on Google Earth. Is when you research it and you go to a place you found through your own research, it makes it that much more satisfying. Trust me. So we decided to end off our exploring day with a little 5K, 6K hike. Supposedly about 500 meters of elevation gain, so it's a pretty steep one. But it goes to this overlook right beside a massive waterfall, which may or may not be more epic than the one we saw earlier. But nice to get out, get some exercise, and not just do all of our exploring via the car, but instead get out on our feet and yeah, get some zone 2, some zone 3, a little bit of zone 4, and see what we get.